Do you want to know how to convert NSF to Office 365? Download Migrator software to easily convert multiple NSF to Office 365. It is an ultimate solution for converting Lotus Notes NSF to Office 365 without any loss of information. Go to Add File option for choose the Lotus Notes file. After that, go to the saved location and choose the Lotus Notes file. Then, click on the Open button. Now, mark the required file and folder for backup. Now, choose the required Lotus Notes file in the software interface. Click on it to get a complete preview in the software window. After that, go to the Convert option. Select all folder types option. Then, browse the complete saving list options. The software provides more than 25 saving options to download Lotus Notes emails, inbox, PDF, etc. Select Office 365 saving option. Users can also check the international languages like Italian, German, Spanish, and more for the process. If you are an admin of Office 365 account, then please check the I am admin option provided by the software. Next, fill the login credentials of your Office 365 account, email address and password. Please check the Copy to Default folder option to migrate Mailbox Inbox to Inbox, Draft to Draft, Sent to Sent and more. Now, you have two options to move emails. If you want to migrate Lotus Notes mail into main mailbox, please check Export to Primary Mailbox. If you want to migrate Lotus Notes into Office 365 Archive Mailbox, please check Export to In-Place Archive Mailbox. Click on the Next button to start the process. When the process gets completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on the OK button. The trial edition of the software has limitation: convert only first 25 emails per folder. Go to Office 365. Click on Migrated folder. You can see the folder hierarchy. Click on the desired folder. Here you can see your Lotus Notes file successfully migrated into Office 365.